Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the anti-reflecting screen protector. And this sets it for the S9 Ultra and the S9 Ultra 5G, but these will also work on the S8 Ultra and the S10 Ultra, so they do support the whole line, all three of those devices. Same thing for this one, and I've already put this one on just because I wanted to do it off camera and not mess it up, because it is only a one pack and they are like $35, so I wanted it to go on nicely and not have a bunch of bubbles and dust. So I took my time, did it off camera, and that went pretty well. So we are going to be opening this and putting it on though on my Tab S10 Ultra. So this is the outdoor cover, and this is kind of like the rugged case that the S23 Ultra had with the gadget case. This doesn't come off, but it has the same type of handle. It's just giant, which is actually kind of cool. Let's see if we can pop it like I did the other one. Yep, there we go. So for those who don't know, the S10 Ultra is IP68 water and dust resistant, so it is actually slightly water resistant. You can use it in like rain showers and stuff like this. So this is the outdoor cover, and they actually advertise it with somebody like camping and watching a movie on their Tab S10 Ultra in the rain. So that is why it's called the outdoor cover, I guess. So here we are. Here is that. Here is my Tab S10 Ultra. You can kind of see the anti-reflective. It's not as harsh. I mean, that's like an LED light right above it. Not as harsh as it would be if it was just a glass screen. Here's my S24 Ultra for comparison. You can see it's more so. The S24 Ultra has a glass screen protector on it, so it doesn't have the anti-reflective bit like it normally does if it didn't have anything on it. But yeah, it is a little bit better. That right there is just from where you take off the middle piece to install it. That'll go away after a few hours. But we're going to go ahead and put it on. I believe it just snaps on in here. Maybe it just snaps on in here. I don't think the top's all the way in. Top's not all the way in. Come on. This thing is giant. Okay, let's try this a different way. Hold on one second. Let's try going bottom first. Make sure I'm not ripping up the screen protector or anything. It shouldn't. It's just so large it's hard to get a good grip on the top of it. Let me make sure there's no special way to do this. Having to read the instructions for a case here. Do not tilt. Oh, okay, I was like, what? Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna have to move it off camera to get a better grip on it here. There we go. You kind of got to push like up and like over when you get to the last part there. Got kind of dusty, but everything fits just fine. Pull this massive hinge out, and that's going to be really nice to stand that up on my desk and use it. and it will go like any angle. Like, I mean, it's pretty flexible, and the hinge is stiff enough. It's not like, you know, it doesn't wobble a bunch. You can also use this as a kind of like a handle when you're, you know, you saw how hard it was to put in. It's not going anywhere. And you can use it as like a little handhold if you're, you know, you're out and doing something. You got your S Pen, right here. You can, you know, hold it and get a good grip on it to take a big old note. Definitely nice 14-inch screen here. Way better than writing on like the smaller iPads. Snaps right back up in there. The S Pen goes in either way. Just slides in there, which is really nice because if it's just on the back, it likes to fall off. You don't even really have to push it in there. You can just snap it in there like that, and it'll go through the edges just fine. But very nice case. I like this rugged case for, you know, taking this thing out and about, throwing it in a bag and stuff like that. Plus I have the screen protector now, so it's not going to get all scratched up and all that kind of stuff. I don't know where this dust came from. It was like something when I put the case on it, like, got everywhere. But I'll wipe that off in a minute. But that is the outdoor case and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra rugged case with the screen protector. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.